Ever held an egg gently in hand and wondered what lies inside it? I used natural eggshells. I emptied the eggshell and washed it well. One can use eggshells or ornamental eggs available very easily in Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, or any other place. They are pretty cheap and very easy to use. I also used some acrylic color. These are all from my stash. And I painted my eggs in copper color, shades of green, gray, and some I just left white. Next, I added details to these eggs using a black marker pen, a gold pen, and a white pen, and they have just turned so beautiful. love how these eggs turned out. They are so pretty, so adorable. I'm beaming with ideas how to use them in the decor in my home. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do and write down a comment. I would cherish them. Do subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, decors, home recipe, all in a project. And see you very soon in my next video. Take care.